Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription or the Google AI or Google AI Pro plan membership from your PC, or if you're using Android phone, it's similar process. So to cancel your subscription, you just need to open your Chrome browser and you can go to this Google Apps option with the box here, the dot, click on it, and if you go down you will find the option called Google One. So click on Google One. After that, you need to click on the settings option and you can find this option of cancel membership. So this is how you can cancel your Google AI or Google AI Pro. Just click on cancel and you can just click on cancel membership, and this will cancel the Google AI or the Google AI on or the Google AI Pro plan, or if you have Gemini Pro plan or not the Google AI, this will cancel your plan or the membership. So this is the same settings in Android phone. You just need to download this Google One app, download it from Google Play Store, and exactly the same process. Just go to the right corner, you will find a three-dot menu, and if you go to the settings, you will find this cancel membership option. So that's it guys, this is how you can cancel the Google Gemini Pro or Google AI One Pro membership. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.